How to check credit score on Barclays banking app. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can check credit score on Barclays banking application. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you already have an application, open it up. If not, install it from your Google Play Store or App Store in your iPhone device. Once you have the application, now all you have to do is open up the application and then log into your application by providing your correct login credential. Once you're logged in, now you have to look for the option that says credit profile or credit score section. This will be located in the main menu or under the Insights tab depending upon your app version. Here you might also see an option to view your credit score directly from your account overview page. Now, to view your credit score, click on credit score section. If you haven't set it up before, the app may guide you to register for free credit score tracking. Here, the app retrieves your score from the partnered credit reference agencies such as TransUnion. To explore detailed insight, the app may also provide additional tools and advice for improving your score or understanding your credit health. For further guidance, you can also consult Barclays' official support page. And that's the way to check your credit card score on Barclays banking application. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.